Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Just after 8 a.m. It's about 75 degrees and chance of rain. It's not looking too great out here. Anyway, we're headed down to Milk Bella here in a minute. These chickens are going through a lot of food. Been producing quite a few eggs though. Piglets. You're always waiting for something, aren't you? Some more food. Looks like Sally wants to go for a ride. Wanna go for a ride? Well, all the animals are watered and fed. Neighbors clearing their property, hoping they're not going to sell. Kind of humid today. Just checked the weather and it says it's 92 degrees and sunny. I'm not seeing the sun. Oh, blue over there. But I was going to replace this cable here. My son Hank gave me one for Christmas. It's shorter. Bad thing about mile marker, you come with 100 foot of cable and you do a short pull off to the side, which is normally where the trees are. You pinch the cable. It's pinched here, and it's also pinched here. But that could also be because the way my son's rolled it up last time, winching something on the trailer or whatever. But either way, it's going to be replaced. Going to be in the road before the sun spools all the way. Yeah, it's 100 foot cable. Told him to hook it to my pickup and go down the hill with it. Nope, went over the quad, just tear up my driveway. Well, there's a few kinks in it. That one right there is probably the worst. It's good, we're changing it out because that is a breaking point. Well, we're gonna use this one here Hank gave me. Change this other one out, and it did come with a hook. That's a good thing. He's got the quad hook to the end of the cable to a little weight while reeling it up so it doesn't ball up and pinch again. And of course, it's starting to rain. Yeah. This Badland 65 foot of cable is now here on my 12,000 pound mile marker. See, that's a lot better. It's not overcoiled. The other one was getting pinched because it was just too much. So we should be better now. All right, now we have a wind. Yeah, the wind's getting crazy. We're heading down to Milk Bella and grain the pigs to the dog kennel. The wind caught it, blew it way out there. Oh, little pigs. Hang on, Bella, I'm coming. You ate that already? Everybody's good on water except for Harold. He wanted to flop his whole dish over. Make a mess. Little doodle. Looking for the leaks in the hose. Well, everybody's been fed. Topping off the waters tonight, so they have plenty. It's not really too hot today, just kind of humid. Anyway, I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.